Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, things are not looking good. Triple Q SPY, even though it's gapping up, it's clearly on a downtrend. I think at market open, we could expect a pop, fail around resistance, and then continue to fade. Tesla also following a similar pattern. Considering the current trend of SPY and Triple Q, I'm bearish. But I'll wait for market open to see how both Triple Q and SPY reacts and then define my trades based off that. We do have over 15 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Failed. I wish it gave a little more pop. I'm watching carefully. See how it's making a turn back. Not giving me any sort of bounce. Watching. Trying to get in around 510 EMA. That's not good. Makes a new high, I'm getting out. I'm not adding. Giving it some time. I do have an order around 540. Didn't get it. Giving it some time. Not breaking down, but I do have my stop loss around 380-360. 430, I do have an order. Yep, I got it. My stop would be high of this candle. 510. No. Out of one. Just holding one. Yep, I'm out. That was a perfect trade. I did not panic. Took the profit when I had it. $100 after a while. So happy with it. I had a decent trade plan. I did not add as it got to this level because it could have gone wrong. So I waited for a failure. And when I got a failure, I did not sell. Instead, on the rebound, I added again and then took the position out when SPY made a new low. Super happy with how I managed the trade, and I think I'll be done with that just one trade. 17 minutes into the day, making over $100, I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.